Alright, well, I guess this one's being sent to my internal storage. I don't know how much space I have left on it. But, whew. Yeah, the exposure is a little low on the camera. Alright, cold start. Yeah, cold start. As soon as I fix this real quick. Get that just right. Alright, that should be good enough. Oh, can't have that as wrapped around there. You can listen to it outside. Really hot. It's cold out. It's really cold. Let's go to the back window. Alright, defroster. This needs to go this way for now. Get the heat going. And it's running cold right now. I did make a video about this before, but I never uploaded it. So this is the 98 Camry. I made a video about it yesterday, but I didn't get a cold start, so I decided to get rid of it. Alright. Lamp tests. And both lights over here working. I can't see on the back. Alright. Headlights. High beams. This thing has really dim lights on it. You could get away with using your high beams and just saying that they're headlights. There's your shifter, parking brake. Yeah, I think it looks better with the stuff off here. I'll turn that on just because. So yeah, this is all your radio stuff up here. It's actually all divided by a piece of fake wood there. And then the bottom half is your, yeah, it's starting to get warm now, that's good. Yeah, and all that bottom stuff is the climate control. And then down here is a cigarette ashtray, but we use it for storage, for storing things. So we don't use the cigarette lighter because we don't smoke in here, even though my dad smokes a pipe, but it doesn't matter. And the cigarette lighter, we just have a little USB port to charge things. Because we don't use the cigarette lighter, like I said. Like I might have said. Look, was it even plugged? It wasn't even plugged in all the way before. Oh my. Yeah, it wasn't even plugged in all the way. And of course, right here, I'll move my book bag in case you can't see that. A messy glove compartment. And the center section, there's CDs in there. This center section is broken. You can see how it's like really messed up. And my grandpa took all the headrests off the seats. It's starting to get clear. See if we can get a... And we should just poke our heads out the window. Actually, you could look at the thing. You can see the one on that side works. I shouldn't be rolling down the windows anymore. Challenging getting up here. Yep. We are good. I'm gonna do a brake light test, but I don't feel like it. My dad will do it. Plus, I don't have my license yet, so if someone catches me doing anything, I'll probably get in trouble for it. do one more time, just in case. Just in case of what, you may ask? I don't know, don't mind that smell of coolant going on here. But yeah, there's your wiper control right there. There's the cruise control. You can see it through the steering wheel. And then over there is your signal and light control. There's all the windows and stuff. The door lock mechanism. None of the seats in here are power seats. Not even the driver's seat. Like, a lot of the times, like, on our old Oldsmobile Intrigue, it used to be that, he's coming. The power seat, the driver's seat would be powered. But it's not.